we're driving through the auction house, I'm gonna show you guys all the shit we have in here. Let's see. Oh, shut up. I'm not gonna put my seatbelt on. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff. Boats, cars, a lot of cars, a lot of more cars. It's a never-ending field of cars all over the place. Cars in the middle. They probably left that one without the e-brake and it rolled back. There's a jump box. That yellow thing right there, that's a jump box. More RVs. You want to go through here? Let's go through here. I'll show you guys. A lot of more cars. This is shaky. I'm sorry for the shaky. More cars, more cars, more cars. As you can see down there, more cars, more cars, more RVs, trailers, more boats. And I'm gonna show you guys more RVs and more cars and more boats, because that's all we have here. And I'm gonna make a video about all the motorcycles pretty soon, so you guys can see it too. See, more RVs and more RVs all over the place. Ooh, we even have a truck down there. You can see we have RVs coming out of our asses too. Wow, more shaky. I'm driving on the dirt, as you can see in the video. There's a truck with a huge trailer in the back. And another little trailer, let's drive behind it. Oop, another RV hitting in the corner. And we're gonna go back. I can show you guys more RVs, expensive and cheap ones, really nice ones, and some of them I wouldn't even go in them, but we have to sell it all. God damn, all this shakiness. I'm sorry guys about that, but I'm gonna show you a little bit more of the boats, which you can see here. Boats, 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 more boats, more boats, and a lot more cars. I cannot go through there, so let's go show this side. More cars, more cars, more cars, cars everywhere. A tractor with the lift, more cars, more cars, more cars. Alright guys, pretty soon I'll make a video. I'm driving an automatic Toyota Corolla, so you can see right here, 153,176 miles, and it's a repo car. This is the one we drive around because it's full of gas until we're actually allowed to sell it. So just wanted to show you guys the big ass place where I work at, and pretty soon I'll keep making more videos to keep showing you guys all the stuff that we get in, all the good stuff that we have outside. So you can see down there, another RV, more cars, and I'll show you all the motorcycles pretty soon too, which they are under the roof of the building with no lights right now, so it's gonna be pretty hard to make a video of them. Alright guys, have a good one, see you soon.